Hello and welcome once again. We're looking Tuesday, April 10, 2018. We're looking now at the symbol RTY, Russell 2000 mini contract, and we've got a support zone. Again, this is a qualified super trade, and you can see the zone that I've entered. You can see the span. The market's just now come into the zone, and so now we're just going to wait and watch and let the market produce the action that it produced, and FillFinder's turned on, and so the results speak for themselves, and we'll just let this play out here for just a moment. Okay, so just filled. Fill came in 15.38 even. The initial stop on the trade 15.36.2, and you can see on the target 1 area, you can see target 1 risk is a multiple of 2, so it's 2 times the initial risk for target 1 for the smaller target. So we've got a long entry 15.38, we've got stop 15.36.2, and we've got our smaller target up at 15.41.3, and so we're looking at 3.3 points. That's $165 per contract in our RTY. You can see now just pulling the larger target down to a retest of the session high. And so now it's just a matter of letting this play out. Okay, so the market has caught up to the smaller profit objective and surpassed it. And so just picked up 165 per contract on the smaller target. The market's within striking distance of a retest of the high. The stop, as you can see, has now moved to the entry. So the remaining portion of the position, those open 2 contracts long from 38 even, at this point the stop is at the entry. They're currently obviously nice and positive, and at any time you can close the position. Simply click close all or close quantity 2 on the right hand side in the center of FillFinder. But if you want to continue to let it play out, then just simply wait and watch. But at this point 165 times 2 has been brought in thanks to the FillFinder fill at the SUPRA zone, and so that's 330 to the positive at this point, and the remaining portion of the position has no risk. The stop's at the entry, so unless there's some kind of terrible slippage, that should be a no-lose scenario in case the market does come back and stop it out. And so again, this is from Tuesday, April 10th, 2018, and part of the how fast can Supra pay for itself challenge. And so far, just looking at the US indices, we've seen 2 markets, the S&P Midcap 400, now the Russell 2000 Mini, symbol RTY. And so we'll let this trade continue to play out and see how it goes. So all the positive movement we had, the market's just now come back, gone through the stop loss that's at our initial entry price, and so stopped out on this trade. We got the smaller profit objective, so again, picked up 165 per contract, times 2, but then on the remaining 2 stopped out at the entry as the market came back down, as you can see, got back into the zone. And so that's a look at this result for the RTY long on Tuesday, April 10, 2018, plus 330 on 2 contracts. So again, not a huge budget, big high roller type of budget needed to take this trade, and we can see it turned out rather decent even at the smaller profit objective. And so we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.